There are a lot of unethical individuals and companies in the foundation repair business. If you are unsure about something, you bring in an expert. That is a good business practice at any level. You use due diligence, need checks and balance. Foundation damage is not the end of the world. Treated properly, it can be a minor irritation. Treated incorrectly, it can be a nightmare. Do not experience a nightmare. The reason for this video is to let you know that I am available to help you understand the reason foundations fail and to help you maintain your foundation and to help you find a proper repair when required. With over 150 foundation contractors in the Dallas-Fort Worth area alone, getting 3 bids provides you with a flip of the coin of getting the right job at a fair price. I can help you beat those odds. People pay me to help them successfully deal with foundation issues. My fee is fair and reasonable, and if I don't help you, I don't expect you to pay me. However, when I do help you, you will be glad to pay me. If I save you from buying one unneeded pier, you have made money. It's a smart move and cheap insurance. I will be your advocate for check and balance. Foundation companies sell piers. I provide solutions. Contact me.